Hi there, I am still in Ngong and I want us to go house hunting. In essence, looking out for houses. In case you want to get a house in Ngong, how much is it gonna cost you? You know, talk about rent, and even more exciting, in case there's a property for sale, we're gonna also ask how much that particular property goes for. I'm targeting to get about 3 to 5 properties, which I'm gonna show you. And of course, once we get the price for rent or even the sale price, we're gonna discuss with you if it makes sense. But for this video, I'm only gonna show you the exterior of these particular properties. And I'm gonna do so because this short notice to be able to get permission to get interior of these houses. So with that, let's go, guys. So I'm on the way, going to look for our first property. And of course, as I'm out here moving, remember that when you're seeking rental property, there's some key factors you need to look out for. For example, location. For example, your housing situation or a family situation. For example, intended use and so forth. So all these come to consideration, and of course, it is different people out there having different requirements. So keep that in mind as also you're thinking about if such houses are good for you, and even so, if the pricing makes sense or not. And so I have seen our first property, which I'm gonna inquire about. If you can see, there is a house here which is under construction. Near that, Calvary Hill Hospital. Just adjacent to it here, you can see there's a house here, which is a very beautiful house, which is under construction. And of course, I've seen they've also put some sign there indicating that somebody can let. Let me call them and of course, try to discuss with them, try and see how much this is gonna cost in terms of rent, so that also you can share your insights with regards to if this is a good rental option based on your own ideas, or if maybe it is overpriced, right? So guys, I've gotten the number and I'm calling. Let's speak to them, hear what they say. If it's a good option, you're gonna advise, right? This property behind me.
$1 shilling and 50 cents. Yeah, hello.
Hey, hi, habari yako?
Salama.
Hey, nimeona kuna manyumba hapa imeandikwa for rent, nyumba inajengwa hapa Ngong. Hey, na rent na how much?
Hiyo mawe haijaisha bado, inabakia.
Yes, that's the one I'm inquiring about. Hiyo mawe.
Hey.
Itamalizika lini? August. Itakuwa imeisha August.
Itakuwa imeisha August.
Na ni what size? I wanted kama 2 bedroom ama 3 bedroom. What size houses?
Hiyo ni 1 bedroom.
Ni 1 bedroom. The entire house in 1 bedroom.
Inakuwa ni 12.
12k. It is all inclusive ama charges zingine ziko kando?
Ati charges za maji wewe siko na nini na token ni yako.
Maji na token ni yangu.
Ni yako.
Lakini nyumba ni 12k, yeah?
Nyumba ni 12.
On August, right? Aya, sawa. Asante mami sana. I'll call you maybe mwisho wa August ikianza. Sawa, thank you. Yeah, so guys, as you've heard, that is a house which you've seen still under construction. And of course, upon inquiry, you've heard what the price is, that particular house, okay? They say it is only 1 bedrooms and it is going at 12k Kenya shillings. Of course, electricity and water are your own bills. It is easy to sort, but the house is going at 12k Kenya shillings. What do you think about that? Do you think, for example, it is overpriced, it is underpriced? What do you think about that? From outside, this is how the house look like, okay? So with that, let's go to the second property, which could be on rent or even on sale. Let's see how much it goes for. And of course, guys, these places are very beautiful houses. Like for example, see those houses on the other side. All of them are very beautiful, okay? So let's continue our journey at house hunting. And then guys, so I've seen a second property, which is also for let, which I'm gonna show you and also talk to you about. So the second property for let is the one which is here. As you can see, it's some property in green containers there. And of course, it is indicated Bedsitters for let, okay? So this particular property, actually it is on containers and it's indicated Bedsitters for let. So I'm also gonna call and then hear how much they cost at, for you to be able to know if it is a worth thing or even so, if it is maybe something that's overpriced. Let's call right away. Oh, habari?
Nzuri.
Uko salama?
Kabisa.
Hapo sawa kabisa. So ni Ngong. And I've seen some property hapa unalete. I wanted a bedsitter. Nimeona some bedsitter hapa za green container. Unalete na how much?
Which side?
Hapa Ngong ukiingia na hiyo hotel hapa next to Aga Khan na hii kanisa.
Oh.
Kuna some
The bedsitter going for 7,000.
The bedsitter going for 7,000.
Yes.
So the entire nini bedsitter peke yake?
Yeah.
Ni saa 7k. Is it iko exclusive ya other charges ama?
No, that's the rent.
That's the rent.
Yeah, there is water.
So water do you charge fixed amount ama it varies depending on the use?
No, not fixed. Depending on the units you consume.
Those are the only charges. Hakuna kitu kingine kama maybe securities
Kuna garbage, yeah.
Garbage and security. Garbage and security ni how much?
Ndio hiyo garbage tu ni 200. Na maji sasa hiyo ni kulingana na unit ile umetumia. 90 ndio 7. Na unahitaji kulipa na deposit.
Na deposit?
Na pia kuna deposit ya maji ya 1,500. Kuna 1,000 ya kujiandikisha. Na hiyo 200 ya garbage. Na
200 ya garbage. So kumaanisha when I'll be entering that house then it cost maybe come around 18k hapo, 17k, 18k. 16k. Ita cost 16,500. Haya, sawa misa. Acha nifike usiku na kupigia mbi kama kesho hivi. Okay, sawa, thank you. Yeah, so guys, as we've had those bedsitters which you're seeing there, okay? Of course, some of them are occupied already, but also a good number of others are vacant. And that is going at 7k per month, okay? And when you go there for the first time, it's gonna cost you a deposit to 7k times 2, that's 14k. And also, as you've heard, you're gonna also incur deposit for water and also deposit for, I haven't had well, what was the other deposit? I don't remember well, but total is gonna come to about 16k for you to be able to be a tenant in those particular properties there, okay? That's our property number 2. Let's go hunt for property number 3. If we can get even 4, well and go, let's go and see, okay? Guys, this place has very beautiful houses. Look at those houses, okay? Very, very awesome houses. What do you think? They look good, right? Hopefully I get a property here, which is also for rent, so that you know how much it's gonna cost, and even so, judge if it's fair in price, okay? And of course, I've seen this property on my left side here is also for rent. Let me go close by there, so that I talk to you about it, and also you can be able to know if the rent which is gonna be shared is fair or if it is overpriced. Let's go. So I'm reaching out. Hey, hello.
Hello.
Habari yako bana?
Nzuri.
Hey, niko hapa Ngong, nimekuwa tafuta nyumba.
Yeah.
And I've seen there is a property here you are letting.
Yeah.
Kuna property hapa you are letting, inaandikwa 1 bedroom hapa nje, 1 bedroom to let,
Yeah.
Unafanya rent na how much? Unafanya rent na how much?
Ni gani hapo da?
Ni hapa karibu na, hata nikupigie lori inapita saa, sorry. So guys, sorry, let me call back. There was a lorry which was passing, here it is, and was making a lot of noise. Let me call back for you to be able to hear very well. Nasikia vizuri?
Hello.
Hello, habari yako?
Nasikia sasa, go ahead.
Sawa, perfect kabisa. Nasema kuna nyumba ni nje ukiingia hapa na Aga Khan.
Yes.
Hii Aga Khan na hii kuna hii hoteli hapa next nje,
Yes.
Nimeona kuna nyumba hapo 1 bedroom which is for let, So unafanya 1 bedroom na how much?
Hapo watani.
Yes, hapo karibu na hapo Aga Khan Ngong.
Oh.
Opposite stadium.
Okay. Sasa 1 bedroom hapo. Ni 18 and 19,000. Pia tuko na singine sa 15,000 area hiyo.
So hapa ni 18k.
Sijui hiyo Aga niko hapo Bounty.
Iko hapo opposite karibu na Sitam, hapo opposite ni kanisa hiyo na stadium. Hiyo ni 15. Za 18 ziko wapi?
Pale opposite Shell, pale Zambia.
Opposite hapo Zambia? Haya, sawa. So sasa hizi naweza pata nikiamua kuja hii weekend ama next week utapata. Nitapata.
Tukupeleka pale chini. Ukikosa tukupeleka pengine.
Na nikiingia ni total how much? Kuna ma cost zingine ama ni hiyo to rent peke yake? Rent na deposit ama kuna cost zingine?
Kuna zingine, kuna rent na deposit. Hiyo ingine ni minute, ni kama kitu kama 2,000 hivi deposit ya maji.
2,000 hivi.
Hivyo itaweza break up ya.
Okay, sawa. Is okay then. Thank you. Acha nakupigia by kesho hivi, sawa. Sawa, thank you bro. Yeah, so guys, as you've heard, these particular houses here are going for 15k, but also there is others, the other side of town, which are going for about 18K. What do you think? Do you think this fair, particularly this particular house just from outside, is fair to get for 15K? And of course, as you've heard, for most houses out here, it is beyond the actual house, because as we enter in, you're going to pay the deposit and also other additional charges. So guys, what do you think about that? Do you think the rent for this particular house is fair? We've had three options. We've seen, for example, there is that particular one bedroom, which is going to be going at 12K. This one here is going at about 15K. And then, of course, the bedsitters there behind that, which I've shown you, are going at 7K. Do you think that is fair? If it were you, which of these houses will you go in? Share with us in the comment section down below. Let's continue discussing. I look forward to share with you other awesome house hunting videos next time. Bye-bye, and you all take care.